Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, automatic transmission, leather and metal look steering wheel, Bluetooth, external memory control, trailer hitch receiver, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, and Ecotec 3 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.